My job card came assembled and ready.
They came assembled and ready. They came assembled and ready. They came assembled and ready.
My job card's assembled and ready.
The jar cart charging stations makes it easy to accommodate your charging needs for tablets and student devices in a variety of unique learning spaces. It is a scalable and flexible solution that is great for all classes. This charging solution can be mounted on the wall or mounted to a desktop. Multiple carts can also be stacked, making it easier for classrooms with spacing limitations. With this new FlexShare charging solution, you are not limited to stationary charging. The additional mobility kit gives teachers the flexibility of moving the jar carts to the area of your classroom that fits your needs. The FlexShare solution aims to make everyday classroom access to devices simple and uncomplicated. The cable management is easy to set up and stays put throughout daily use. No need to worry about assembly. Your new jar cart charging stations will arrive at your school fully assembled. If you're interested in integrating any of this technology into your classroom, please don't hesitate to contact your personalized learning leader or a member of the Learning Technologies team.